The many health benefits of soy. Soy is a product that comes from soybean, a legume that is prevalent in East Asia. It is found in many foods including milk, tofu, and processed foods like breads and cereals. Soy is most commonly eaten as a plant protein as it has all the amino acids that act as the building blocks of protein. It's also considered a good source of calcium, fiber, potassium, magnesium, copper, manganese, and polyunsaturated fats like omega-3 and omega-6. In addition to whole foods, soy is available in supplement form including tablets and powders. Some studies have shown that adding soy to your diet may help lower cholesterol as well as reduce the risk against certain types of cancer. The biggest benefits of soy come when they are eaten as a replacement for foods like red meat and other options high in saturated fat. Substituting soy over these foods may lower LDL cholesterol slightly, as well as reduce blood pressure. In alternative forms, soy supplements that contain isoflavones may reduce the severity and frequency of hot flashes that are associated with menopause. Fermented soy products will be more digestible and can increase mineral and protein absorption in the body due to the process fermented foods go through. If you're looking for a soy supplement to combat menopause symptoms, talk to your doctor about the best choice for you. A supplement with soy isoflavones will mimic estrogen-like actions and may be able to help. Other forms of soy, such as soy powder which can be added to smoothies, are convenient for their longer shelf life as well as being a portable source of protein. Just be aware that many of these contain soy isolate and other additives, so it's best to use them in moderation. Many people who follow vegan or vegetarian diets may eat soy more frequently as a meat substitute and source of protein. Although it's perfectly safe to eat in moderation, if you're worried about your soy intake, it's best to discuss this with your doctor. They will be able to provide alternate sources of protein for your specific dietary restrictions and if needed, refer you to a nutritionist for further counseling and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, make health your greatest wealth.